Before you buy any stock, check these 7 things. Most people buy a stock because it's trending on social media, or because the price looks cheap. That's exactly how investors lose money. Before you invest in any company, use this simple checklist that experienced investors follow. First, visit the company's official website. Don't start with the financial statements. Start by understanding what the company actually does. What products or services does it sell? Who are its customers? Does it have well-known clients or a strong competitive advantage? If the business is easy to understand, you're already ahead of most investors. Next, look at revenue growth. Open the company's financial reports and check whether revenue has been growing consistently over the last few years. A growing business usually shows growing sales. Now check profitability. Revenue alone isn't enough. Is the company becoming more profitable? Pay close attention to the operating margin. A healthy operating margin tells you the core business is making money, not just one-time gains. Also, see if a large portion of earnings comes from non-operating income. A great business should generate most of its profits from its main operations. Now let's talk about debt. Too much debt can put even a great company at risk. Look at the debt-to-equity ratio and compare it with companies in the same industry. Also check whether the company generates enough cash flow to comfortably manage its debt. Don't forget inventory. If inventory keeps rising while sales stay flat, it could mean products aren't selling. That's a warning sign worth investigating. Finally, look at shareholder value. Check whether earnings per share, book value, and free cash flow have improved over time. Strong companies tend to create more value for shareholders year after year. No company is perfect. Every business has strengths and weaknesses. The goal isn't to find a perfect stock, it's to avoid bad businesses and invest in companies with strong fundamentals. Follow this checklist before buying your next stock, and you'll make smarter investment decisions over the long run. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, follow, and share it with someone who wants to become a better investor.